So magandang araw kabola. Sa video nito, pag-usapan po natin kabola. Ito pong nakakagulat kabola na rumor. Na unang nilabas po ng bilyonaryo, yes, rumor po na nakakagulat na hindi po galing kay Snow Padua. So maniwala sa hindi kabola. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So let's start po with talking about the comments of the fans. But shout out Sir Ronald Barbasidad. Again, salamat po sa walang humpay po na pag-comment kabola. Neil O'Hara, pa-shoutout idol, ganyan talaga loads, pagbaguhan pa, maraming struggles. I agree. User F85, maamo ang number 1 pick, sabi naman ito kabola. User FD5 ulit, makuha ng SMB number 1 pick, PBA draft, sabi niya. Again, alam naman natin na kayang gawin po yan ng San Miguel Beerman. Anthony Navarro, Sira Ramos, Abano Tamayo, Shooter D, malabo pa yan due to the overseas market. Depende kasi yan kabola di ba? Hindi mo pwede kasing malabo siguro dahil sa demand, sabi mo. Pero yung demand, di naman yung mawawala Pero ano kasi dyan, yung reality na kapag hindi pa po sila magpapadraft, baka never na sila magpadraft, di ba? Joel Lim, yung Jason Brickman, abutin na lang ng 40 years old yan. Taon-taon na sa mock draft. Nagsasawa na rin ako, baka last year na to. Ano po, baka mo talaga kayo sa BP, wala na tayong magagawa. Now, let's talk about the good start of Rain or Shine. They're currently a 4-0 at the recording of this video. Again, sobrang dami na nilang believer kabola. And of course, hindi naman yung nakakagulat Sila yung best record ngayon 4-0, they are the only undefeated team kabola. And if you look at their 4 games, iba't iba yung nag-star kabola, diba? Yung Ginebra, nag-star po yung kanilang dalawang rookies. Yung laro nila kabola against NX, nag-star po si Clarito. In this game against Phoenix, nag-start naman itong si Nokum. So, and again, of course, alam naman natin ganyan talaga pag team po ni Coach Yang Diao kabola. Pero, parang bilis yan. Bilis naman mag-conclude ng iba na sila po ay hatuloy agad as championship contender. Yes, of course, they have the best record. Iba pa rin kasi playoffs Sa playoffs kasi, sa parangin ko lang naman, tatlo po ang main ingredients yan to win the championship through the playoffs dito sa PBA. That is size, that is offensive firepower, and then that is talent, overall talent ng team mo kabola. Of course, Meralco managed to win the championship even though so-so sila kabola in one obvious of those three, which is talent plus Philippine Cup kabola. Pero isang klaro kasi na meron sila is offensive firepower because of the presence nito nga pong si Chris Newsom at saka ni Allen Maliksi. Sama mo pa yung Chris Banchero. Now, dito po sa team ng Rain or Shine kabola, pwede kang may masabihin, mayroon silang Banchero, mayroon silang Maliksi. Actually, mahirap pa yung Maliksi. Pero, kung titignan mo talaga yung lineup sila, wala silang Newsom Yung Newsom kasi, yung power push na sinasabi natin dito, kasama din yung ability to win the game. Kung kailangan na pumunta. So, of course, Newsom had done that. Newsom delivered them a championship by his ability to score when they needed it the most, at the most crucial moment. Yan yung isang wala pa yun sa Rain or Shine. Other than that, of course, experience, di ba? They have a very young core. So, para sa akin, medyo na napupunta sa overrated itong Rain or Shine. Now, kabola, ito na, yung nakakagulat po na rumor kabola. Akari ng PBL. May chance daw na makapunta po sa PBA kabola. Una yung nireport ng bilyonaryo kabola. Silang una nag-report, of course, pinasa natin. And the main point is, bababas daw yung main sponsor ng farm team kabola ng COS. Kaya baka mabenta na sila. Now kabola, meron namang napusang tiebreaker time. So kumbaga parang klinaro by Justin Valencia kabola yung situation. Naklinaro po ng manager po kabola na Akari na mukhang wala naman yun sa plano. Although inamin naman niya na may mga PBA teams talaga na lumalapit, pero wala sa kanilang plano, especially with the reality na sila daw po ang mag-build ng panibago po or newest po na UAAP dome na mag-create, which is of course a big project for them kabola. So I mean, for me, I hope they manage to find their way to the PBA kasi with the way it looks, kabola, they will become a legit team. Diba, kabola? They are kind of new brand, kabola. And mukhang obvious naman na ginagamit nila yung PBL to market their products, kabola, their abilities. So for me, if that happens, that means we have assurance. Siguro, they are very confident that they will become an independent team. So we hope na mangyari po yan, kabola. At ano ba yung nabakasay dito? Farm team yung bibili nila. Hindi Phoenix, hindi Rain or Shine, hindi Converge. Farm team. So, isa dun sa 3 or 4, di ba? And to be honest, kung mangyari yan, Para na yun yung best gift for the 50th po na season ng PBA. O baka para sa palagay mo, gusto mo ba itong mangyayari? Comment lang po sa baba.